Slobodan Milosevic is in The Hague facing the most serious charge on the planet, genocide. Here in Belgrade, his wife protests his innocence. Who does she think was responsible for the thousands of forced deportations and the mass murders? And does she expect her husband one day to come home?
Please stand by for a message from the BBC. At 12:45 p.m. today, a group of unidentifiable objects flew into the atmosphere. We have no information as to whether these objects hold a threat to the planet at this moment in time. Please do not tune away from BBC One. Make sure you have a battery-powered radio and supplies. Make sure you have shelter ready. The National Aeronautic Space Agency has stated that these objects now pose a threat to the planet. These objects are moving at high rates of speed. Please find shelter immediately and take your equipment. We have no ideas as to when these objects will hit, but they